If you have color-treated hair, you know how important it is to use the right products to keep your hair vibrant and healthy. Today, we're diving into the best shampoos specifically formulated for color-treated hair, helping you maintain that fresh, salon-like color while nourishing and protecting your strands. In this video, we'll review 5 fantastic shampoos that cater to the unique needs of color-treated hair. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Amika Buster Brass Shampoo. The Amika Buster Brass Shampoo is a purple-toned shampoo designed to neutralize brassy tones and enhance cooler, brighter shades in blonde, silver, and gray hair. With its powerful formula, it's one of the most popular products in the market for those seeking to keep their blonde hair looking fresh and vibrant. Key features: the main highlight of Amika Buster Brass Shampoo is its purple pigment, which helps counteract yellow and orange tones. It's sulfate-free, making it gentle on your hair and scalp while still delivering a deep cleanse. Additionally, it contains a blend of nourishing ingredients like sea buckthorn berry oil and vitamin C, which promote healthy, shiny hair. Benefits and usage: Amika Buster Brass Shampoo is specifically formulated for color-treated and blonde hair. By neutralizing brassiness, it helps maintain cooler tones, preventing that unwanted yellowish hue. The shampoo gently cleanses the scalp and hair while hydrating and restoring shine, leaving your hair looking polished and fresh. For best results, it's recommended to use this shampoo 2 to 3 times a week or as needed. Usability: this shampoo has a rich, creamy texture that lathers easily, even with a small amount. The product works effectively to remove buildup without stripping the hair of its natural oils. It's easy to apply and rinse out, leaving no residue behind. Durability: the Amika Buster Brass Shampoo is a high-quality, long-lasting product. With regular use, it can extend the life of your blonde or gray color and keep your hair looking its best. The formula is potent, and a little goes a long way, making this shampoo last for several months even with frequent. In the second spot, we have Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. Oribe is renowned for creating luxurious, high-performance hair care, and the Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo is no exception. This shampoo is formulated to not only preserve the vibrancy of color-treated hair, but also repair and restore damaged strands with its nourishing ingredients. It's designed for anyone looking to give their hair complete rejuvenation while keeping color looking fresh. Key features: Oribe Gold Lust Shampoo contains a blend of natural ingredients like cypress, argan extract, and watermelon extract, which help to hydrate, protect, and restore your hair. The formula is free from sulfates, parabens, and other harsh chemicals, making it gentle on color-treated hair. Additionally, it's infused with Oribe's signature complex that protects your hair from environmental damage. Benefits and usage: this shampoo helps to rebuild and restore your hair's health by promoting stronger, shinier, and more manageable strands. It's especially beneficial for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, as it locks in moisture while repairing the cuticle. It's best used as part of a weekly routine to maintain the health of your hair. Massage into wet hair and leave it for a few minutes before rinsing. Usability: the shampoo has a luxurious lather and leaves hair feeling soft and clean without any heavy residue. Its thick, creamy consistency spreads evenly through the hair, ensuring that each strand receives the necessary treatment. The shampoo also has a subtle, pleasant fragrance that lingers after washing. Durability: due to its concentrated formula, a little goes a long way, making this shampoo quite long-lasting. Although it's on the pricier side, its effectiveness in repairing and preserving color-treated hair justifies the investment. One bottle can last for several months with regular use. Coming in at number 3 is the Jupiter Balancing Shampoo. Jupiter Balancing Shampoo is an excellent choice for those with color-treated hair that needs hydration, balance, and scalp care. Formulated with a blend of natural ingredients, this shampoo is known for its ability to deeply cleanse while keeping the scalp healthy and promoting hair growth. It's an ideal option for sensitive scalps and anyone dealing with scalp issues like dryness or irritation. Key features: this shampoo is infused with plant-based ingredients such as aloe vera, chamomile, and green tea extract, which help to calm the scalp while cleansing. Jupiter Balancing Shampoo is sulfate-free, and its pH-balanced formula is gentle enough for daily use. It also contains zinc to help promote a balanced scalp and prevent excess oil buildup. Benefits and usage. For color-treated hair, maintaining a balanced scalp is essential for healthy growth and color retention. Jupiter Balancing Shampoo cleanses thoroughly without stripping the hair of its natural oils, promoting scalp health and overall hair vitality. It's ideal for people with sensitive skin or anyone looking for a gentle, nourishing option. Simply apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. Usability. The Jupiter Balancing Shampoo has a lightweight, gel-like texture that foams up easily. It's simple to apply and rinse off, leaving hair feeling clean and soft without any heaviness. It's also fragrance-free, making it a great option for those sensitive to strong scents. Durability. This shampoo is designed for daily use, and its gentle formula ensures that it won't damage or dry out color-treated hair. With its sulfate-free formula, it helps to retain color longer, and its hydrating properties ensure that hair stays nourished and healthy. Taking our fourth spot is Scene Skincaring Shampoo. Scene Skincaring Shampoo is an innovative option that combines skincare ingredients with hair care benefits. This shampoo is formulated for color-treated hair and focuses on promoting scalp health while preserving the integrity of your hair color. It's designed for individuals with sensitive scalps and skin issues, providing nourishment without harsh chemicals. Key features. The Scene shampoo is packed with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E, aloe vera, and fatty acids, which soothe and moisturize the scalp. It's completely free of sulfates, parabens, and artificial fragrances. Additionally, Scene is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin or acne-prone scalps. Benefits and usage. Scene Skincaring Shampoo helps maintain a healthy scalp, ensuring that your hair remains vibrant and strong. The nourishing ingredients promote hydration while cleansing, and it's perfect for those who suffer from scalp irritation or dryness. Use it on a regular basis to keep your scalp calm and your hair vibrant. Apply generously to wet hair and rinse after a few minutes. Usability. This shampoo has a smooth texture that glides easily over the hair. It creates a gentle lather and rinses clean, leaving no residue. Despite being sulfate-free, it effectively cleanses the scalp and hair without any dryness or irritation. The shampoo is designed to be gentle enough for daily use. Durability. Scene Skincaring Shampoo lasts a long time due to its concentrated formula. A little goes a long way, and with consistent use, it will help to extend the life of your color-treated hair while maintaining scalp health. One bottle can last several months with proper usage. And finally, at number 5, we have Pureology Strength Cure Shampoo. Pureology Strength Cure Shampoo is a color-safe shampoo that's specifically formulated for color-treated and damaged hair. Its unique blend of nourishing ingredients helps to repair and strengthen hair from the inside out, making it an excellent choice for those looking to protect their color and keep hair looking healthy and vibrant. Key features. Pureology Strength Cure Shampoo contains an exclusive anti-fade complex that helps lock in color while preventing fading over time. It's enriched with natural oils and proteins that help to restore strength and prevent damage. The sulfate-free formula is gentle on color-treated hair, and the formula is vegan, making it an ethical choice for consumers. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of this shampoo is its ability to deeply repair and restore damaged, color-treated hair. The rich formula helps to seal the hair cuticle and reduce frizz, leaving hair feeling smooth and manageable. To use, apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather well, and rinse thoroughly. It's best used in combination with the matching conditioner for optimal results. Usability. Pureology Strength Cure Shampoo has a thick, creamy texture that spreads easily through the hair. The lather is rich and leaves the hair feeling clean and nourished without any stripping. It's easy to rinse out and doesn't leave any heavy or greasy residue. Durability. Due to its highly concentrated formula, Pureology Strength Cure Shampoo is long-lasting. Even with regular use, a little product goes a long way. It's a great investment for those with color-treated hair, as it not only preserves color but also restores health and vitality to your hair. And that wraps up our list of the best shampoos for color-treated hair. Whether you're aiming to preserve your vibrant hue, repair damage, or maintain scalp health, these shampoos are all fantastic options to consider. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more expert reviews, and leave us a comment letting us know which product you're most excited to try. Check out the description for all the links. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.